Hi guys, right now I will show you another cool accessory for your Lexus GX550. These are these mounts or holders for your plastic boxes, for example. The way they work is they have this rubber on the bottom which won't slide, especially on the WeatherTech mat, which we showed you in the previous video. So we have 4 of these, and all we have to do, guys, now is to put the box on top of them, and guess what, now it won't slide, which is very cool, guys. You can put it anywhere on this mat and secure it with these holders. Manufacturer is WeatherTech. This is the number, guys, for them, and you can even do it with 1 or 2, like this, for example. So I have 2 like this, and already the box won't slide as much. Again, guys, we'll leave you links for these in the description if you like them. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.